This first mini lecture is going to take a look at a general introduction to childhood and adolescence as we take a look at the disorders that are unique to childhood and adolescence. So children of all cultures typically experience some type of emotional and behavioral problems. Surveys indicate that among children, worry is a very common experience. In addition, they also experience bedwetting, nightmares, temper tantrums, and restlessness as well. Taking a look at adolescence, it can be a very difficult period. There are physical and sexual changes, social and academic pressures, personal doubts, and temptation cause many teenagers to feel nervous, confused, and depressed. A particular concern among children and adolescents is that of being bullied. More than 1/4 of all students report they've been bullied frequently, and more than 70% report having been a victim at least once. At least 1/5 of all children and adolescents in North America also experience a diagnosable psychological disorder. Boys with disorders outnumber girls, even though as we took a look at the adult disorders all semester, those were much more common in women. In terms of taking a look at the different types of disorders, childhood anxiety disorders and childhood depression do have their adult counterparts. There are some other childhood disorders, for example, elimination disorders, that usually disappear or radically change form by adulthood. And then finally, we have disorders that begin in birth or childhood and persist in stable forms into adult lives, including autism spectrum disorder and intellectual disability disorder. All right, our next set of lectures, we will begin taking a look at the different kinds of disorders in childhood and adolescence.